Hello, HW Richardson is urgently hiring tanker drivers in Canterbury, New Zealand. Qualified Class 5 drivers are needed to join our team in Christchurch and work a 7-day rotating triple shift schedule. Job description. Job title, Bulk Fuel Tanker Driver. Company, HW Richardson. Location, Christchurch City, Canterbury, New Zealand. Date posted, the 6th of March 2023. Closing date, the 31st of March 2023. Job type, full-time. In New Zealand, Allied Petroleum specializes in providing gasoline and lubricants to its clients. We take great satisfaction in conducting our business with the highest quality standards and safety. Company offers. The company pays competitive salaries according to the candidate's qualifications and background. Employees will get discounts. After 1 year of employment, fully subsidized health insurance. We will train the drivers. You can earn from the staff referral program. Also, you can get long service benefits. And many more. Required qualifications. You must have a valid New Zealand Class 5 driving license. A minimum of 2 years of Class 5 experience is required. And a few more. You must be attentive to follow our safety regulations and standards and our standard operating procedures. Prior fuel industry expertise would be helpful. However, the chosen applicant would receive comprehensive training in the fuel sector. For more details and to apply online, visit the link in the video description below. Also, you can find more driving opportunities on the other links in the description. Thank you.